Right, so we've got a 2025 model Ford Ranger Wildtrack. We've just installed our sort of signature installation for the BlackVue dash camera, which is front and rear. But I thought it'd be quite nice to do a video on this particular one, because you may not be aware of what we can actually achieve in terms of installing the rear camera. So the front camera is installed in this particular area here, as you can see. So we've not got much wiring at all showing there. And then normally, if you didn't have the rear cover section, we would install the rear camera onto this glass area. But because you've got the rear section, we could install that onto the rear, but all you'd be doing is just recording into the rear and not actually having any recording at all right at the back of the vehicle. So what we've managed to do on this particular one is that we've installed the camera here on the rear window on this section. So this is possible to do. It does take quite a bit more time for us to do it, but then we follow the wiring all through the same natural routing as manufacturer. But it just means that you get a far better visibility for the rear camera on the extended section that we have for the rear cover. So if you would like this type of install, then please just give us a shout here at TTW Installations. We offer a full range of BlackVue dash cameras. We've been installing these cameras since 2010, so we're very experienced in fitting these in the best way, as well as setting them up so you get the best out of them. So if you'd like to get in touch, then please get hold of us here at TTW Installations.